Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Poofy Ruffle Easter Deco Mesh Wreath. What you will need, I have 6-inch Deco Mesh in blue and white, some blue ribbon, an adorable sign for the center, an 18-inch wreath ring, Chanel stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by layering our mesh. I'm going to have the blue on top and the white on the bottom. Just layer them one on top of the other. Fold it to a nice little point. And then I'm going to start on the innermost ring. Tie my mesh in a knot. Just like that. So then we're going to make a poof. The first space and the second space. Just like that. Try to make the poofs as uniform as possible, but they don't have to be the exact same. And then scrunch. Twist the mesh a couple of times. And then come back to my first space. And make another poof. The more poofs you add, the larger and poofier your wreath is going to be. And it will be a little more difficult to keep them together when you're first starting, but the more mesh you get in place, the easier it will become. Alright, so this is my first section. I'm just going to twist, and then this next time I'm going to start in the second section. And just repeat this step all the way around my wreath. I'm going to go with 3 rows for a total of 6 poofs in each section. I will link videos in the description box down below so you can have a better idea of what I'm talking about if you're going to use like a 14-inch wreath ring or any other size. You only need 2 rows of poofs as opposed to the 3 that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I've come to the end of my mesh. I just cut it off of the roll. So what I'm going to do is twist it a couple of times and then push my mesh aside, come towards more so the inner ring, and tie it in another knot. And then tuck away any excess mesh. Then I'm going to get 2 more rolls and just repeat the same steps until I am completely out of mesh. So 2 rows of mesh completed 3 sections of the wreath. Since this is the larger 8-section wreath, you're going to need a total of 6 rows. Alright, I'm going to continue working and show you what it's looking like. So I have all of my mesh in place. It looks so cute and poofy. You can leave it layered like this, or you can separate the layers. I usually like to separate the layers just because I feel like it makes it even poofier and you're able to see the bottom color a little bit better. So what I do is I just go around and kind of give it a nice little tug. And I feel like it just helps it to mesh a little bit better. So I'm going to do this all the way around the wreath, and then we'll add our adorable sign to the center. This is our adorable sign. Just going to cut off the hangers there. Take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. Then we're just going to hot glue them in place. Alright, so we're just going to snugly place our sign in the center. And then push the mesh aside and attach the stem to the actual wreath ring and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace your mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. And then I'm just adjusting and maneuvering my mesh, making sure everything is nice and poofy and I don't leave any gaps or spaces. And you can add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add ribbons, bows, more mesh, less mesh. I think the wreath looks so cute and adorable just like this. You could finish it off here, but I think I'm going to add like 4 adorable little bows to my 4 corners. I think that's going to look so precious. Bow, I'm just going to take my ribbon and just make a quick and cute little loopy bow. I have a cute little bow, and I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back and attach it to the corner of my wreath. So cute and precious. And I'm just going to do that for all 4 corners. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.